Some directions there. It says cut out each set on page 39, and there's going to be 5 that go in each box. Okay, equivalent to 1. So put all the things that are equal to 1 in that first box. So go ahead and cut them all out. And you will tape them on there. Tape is over here too, Landon, so you're probably gonna wait till that's done.
Wait, tape is going to the other?
Alright, find the ones that are equal to 1.
No. I'm playing with that. Can I work with Maddie? You're taking my fun time. My fun stuff.
So I heard you work in the kitchen already. Saturday?
Yeah. I take them.
Landon, you want your
Yeah,
piece of paper here?
I dropped 2 big ones.
Alright, find the ones that are equivalent to 1. Find 5 of them.
Or sure told me the whole entire story.
Landon, 5 of them.
I know I moved. It wasn't on purpose. I felt really bad. Causing me in trouble. When I worked Easter. And I guess I don't really trust Chris up for me. I didn't take my meds, so I'm bad.
I worked last night.
That's equal to 1.
What are you doing?
It's not playtime.
I didn't say it was playtime.
What were you doing with a piece of tape? You don't have anything to tape. That's not right.
X plus X be 2X.
Yeah, this one equals 1.
X 0, X to the 0,
This
be
one?
1. Wouldn't this be 1 if we're at?
Nope,
It's not?
nope,
What's not these?
it's not right.
Oh, these are right?
Well, 1 was.
I know
The second
that's
one was there.
right.
Nope.
X plus X equals X squared, right?
X plus X is 2X. No, that's different than X squared.
X times X would be X squared.
What is this? Oh, none of the above, right there, perfect.
Nope.
What? This is a thing? Oh.
Nope.
What?
Am I taping?
Okay,
That's
so
kinda
everybody
hard.
grab one of them. Grab one. X to the 0.
Would be 0.
What is X to the 0 equal to?
1.
1.
I asked you if that was 1.
No, you didn't. You told Devin it was 1.
Well, I was understanding where it's just 1.
This
Well, that's Maddie's. That's Maddie's.
Yeah,
1,
you know.
right?
Simple donation.
So X to the 0 should be by 1. Everybody should have that one taped.
Do you have
X
to
plus
keep it like
X
this where you have to like
equals
flip it up?
X2.
You do whatever you want.
It's not like this.
You take it. Okay, find another one.
X plus X equals
X plus X,
2x.
2x, which is not listed as an option. So
None
that
of
should
the
be
above.
down here. None of the above.
It really should not.
What did you just say about that? I didn't hear nothing.
X plus x.
X plus X equals 2X, and now there is X squared.
Maybe you want to put them all on there before you take them then.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody else pick one.
X minus 1.
Let me see it. Okay, x to the negative 1.
X.
Nope.
X2.
What do you do when it's negative? Where does it
Half
go?
it's 1 over x.
Yes, it goes in the denominator.
Oh, I didn't know that was a thing.
You missed that lesson.
This one goes here.
Okay, next one is x to the 5, x to the negative 5. You add the exponents and you get 5 plus negative 5 is
0.
0. X to the 0.
I did have that right, and you moved it. Ah.
Maddie, pick one.
I think it's, right here. That one goes in with the 1.
X5 over X7.
x5 over x is 7. Everybody grab that one. x5 over x7. Right here. Which one do you think? Yep. X squared more is 2 more x's on the bottom.
What about x?
X4 and X5 can go here.
x4 and x5. Okay, how many more x's do you have on the bottom? Nope. 1. So which one has 1 more x on the bottom?
Oh, this one.
What about x? Negative 7, x9.
That's negative 7 plus 9.
2.
2.
X to the second.
Yep.
So that would be, which one?
X to the second.
X. 1 over x, 0.
Yeah, what's x to the 0?
X,
Nope.
0.
1. So it's going to be 1 over 1, which is
1. Here you go. You're welcome.
X5 minus X4.
where? Find these.
I'm looking.
1.
You've been picking
5
them
minus
up.
4.
1.
Okay, which one's x1? No, it's x1.
Oh.
The x's don't disappear.
You've been picking up mine, so I haven't really done anything.
Pick one.
X negative.
X3 minus X.
Okay, what's x3 minus x to the 1? Nope.
No, this
Okay, you're just guessing.
Well,
none of the. It's either this one or this one.
That's all you got.
Oh, you guessed like all of them so far.
yeah.
No, I didn't guess that one. I didn't guess that one. I'm gonna go with this one.
Yes, 3 minus 1 is 2. x2.
X negative.
Isn't this one the
2.
same thing?
Yep.
Would x2 here?
Bro,
It's negative 2.
Nope. What do you do when it's negative?
I don't know.
Mine
You better
is-
ask somebody who does.
What do you?
What do you do when it's negative?
It's a
X to the negative 2, where's it go?
half.
X goes to X.
So it'll be that one.
X to the negative 2. If it's negative, where does it go? You guys just answered this one. What was x to the negative 1?
Oh, it goes on bottom.
Yes, so the square goes on the bottom.
No, that's not the right one. That.
Sure.
So for this one, since it's x3, x negative 2, it would be x to the first, which would be x1 being that one,
Nope, that'd be negative 1.
or that one.
Nope, that'd be 1 by
This
itself.
one, if I'm correct, does this one go here?
Nope, that would said,
So that would have to go here.
So where would x1
you have
go?
1 more x on top than you do on the bottom.
Yeah, I can see that.
Stop picking one with more X's on the bottom.
What would this one look like? Cause it's x1.
These are yours.
Yeah.
We are struggling. Landon, bring those up.
Okay. Yay.
Why'd you drop it, Landon?
All right, we spent 10 minutes on this. It is not going well. Can tell it's been a while since we've done anything, apparently. This one. Subtracting. So you take 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is x squared. That goes with the x squared column. This one, negative 1 plus 0 would be negative 1. Which one is x to the negative 1 again? 1 over x. Negative means it goes in the denominator. This one, combine the top for me. Nope. Nope. What's just the top? X to the 5. There's 5 x's on top. 4 plus 1 is 5. And there's 3 on the bottom. So do you have more on top or bottom?
Top.
How many?
X squared.
2 more. Correct, x squared. Negative 5 plus 6.
X.
1. X.
But what's the difference between 1 and X?
1 is just 1. There's no x's at all.
Yeah, but isn't X just 1 too?
No. X to the first is different than just 1.
Oh.
Add those up.
2. X squared is X squared.
8 minus 6.
X squared.
X squared. One over x squared. That should be easy.
That's just
1 over x squared.
2x.
1 over x squared. 1 over x squared. Add those up.
That's just X.
Just x.
Two. X
Nope.
squared.
Nope.
Oh no, 1 over X.
Negative 2.
X to negative 2. Which one corresponds with x over, or x to the negative 2?
Middle left. Oh, middle bottom.
0. That's
Nope.
just X.
Nope.
So negative 2x.
X to negative 2 again. Just answered that.
X. No, that's the same thing.
0.
Oh, you're
X
adding.
is 0.
I didn't see we were adding. I thought those were negative 3s. Oops.
Subtract either way.
Dividing. So now we're subtracting 2 minus 1.
1.
1x.
Good night. 2x. X squared.
X squared, yeah.
No, actually, that would be
6
1
minus
over X
4.
squared.
None of
X squared.
I was right. I second guessed myself.
Oh. I lied.
Was that right?
This one is just subtracting.
So,
X cubed minus x cubed would be nothing.
I was right.
In order to add and subtract, we need a common denominator. Common fraction, so that one was right. Whoever said that one doesn't match either.
No, I didn't.
Which other ones were subtracting? We gotta move those. Sorry, I thought they were all multiplying, my bad. All right, multiplying, so that means we add them up. 3 minus 4,
Negative
1.
1.
negative 1. Negative 1 is the same as 1 over x. This one multiplying again, so 2 plus 3 on top would be 5.
Add the other x, 6.
4 plus 1 on the bottom would be 5. So x over 5 over x over 5.
10x. None of the above.
X over 5 over x over
Oh,
5
X squared. It could be X squared.
would be 1.
Wait,
One.
1 over x.
1.
So it's X1.
Nope.
1.
Is there more on top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom. There's more on bottom. 1 over x. So it should be 5 in every box. I'll give you a second to finish taping those. Don't walk too fast.
Three, four, none, right?
Ready.
Was trying.
1, right?
It would be, for me, it'd be X to the first. Ask Brandon, because he has things with me. I'll look at his paper.
I'm just looking at my paper.
I'm asking you.
Which one? Let me see.
We all did it together on your,
Yeah.
you probably should.
Right corner.
Right one?
Top right corner.
I did, but like,
We're going really fast.
Yes, we were.
That's why you say slow down.
I don't want to be rude.
Me neither.
How's that being rude?
I don't
How do you
know.
know? Being rude is saying shut up. That's being rude.
Well,
Then you're rude all the time.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully you got those taped. We need to move on. That was 17 minutes we spent on that one problem.
That's sad.
Question number 2,
2.
page 17. Mel, is there finished tape? You can help me with this one.
Okay.
It says, cross out one expression that isn't equivalent to all the others. All the others equal, so what do they all equal except one of them?
X to the 4th.
X to the 4, right? 3 plus 1,
What?
5 minus 1, x to the 4th. Can you find the one that does not equal x to the 4th?
I'm lying.
Perfect.
That one does. That one does. That one does. That one does. This one.
Nope.
Then it's that one.
Nope.
Wait, what?
If you're dividing, you subtract, right? 5 minus 1 is 4.
Oh,
8 minus 4 is 4.
12 minus 3 is not
12
it.
minus 3 would be x to the 9th. That's one right there. All right, if you are not done taping, you're going to just be done. We're stopping there. Okay, we spent too much time on that one. Turn the page. Don't worry about the other ones that aren't taped. Okay, question 3. Somebody other than Mel. Mel, you can jot this down if you'd like. Which one does not work? Which one is different than all the rest? Okay, I want to know what all the answers equal there.
That one, the 1 divided by the 3 is just x and 2.
Nope. Madison, stop taping.
Negative
We're
3.
moving on.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. 4 minus 7. 2 minus 5. One of these does not equal x to the negative 3. Which one?
Bottom.
Which one does not equal x to the negative 3?
Wait, what? X4 and X7.
Correct. That actually equals x to the positive 3. So it's that one right there.
This is about to be a hard
All right, right in the middle. Basically showing you 2 different ways to do this problem. I could write out how many A's I have. 3 on top.
Won't that make it harder because you have to count them all?
And 7 on the bottom. So if I cancel out 3 A's and 3 A's, how many do I have left?
4.
4, and they are on the bottom, right? The other way to do it is to take, since I'm dividing 3 minus 7,
-4.
which is a to the negative 4, and those two things mean the same thing.
So does the negative actually change the outcome of it?
Negative means it goes in the denominator, so yes.
Gotcha. So
All right, question number 5. Give me 3 expressions that will add up or give me a to the negative 9. Sorry, n to the 9.
N plus n times 9. N times 9. Or n plus 9.
Okay, I'm going to give you one. N to the 5th times n to the 4th.
so that's a positive 9?
N 4
Yes.
times n fifth.
Yeah, we already have that one. Give me something different.
N 9.
N3 to N6.
That's the same thing, Landon.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, n 6 to n 3.
You just took Maddie.
Yes, good job, Madison.
Thank you.
What about N?
N 4.
Go ahead,
no,
Mel.
No.
Go ahead, Mel.
N12 to N3?
No.
Negative 3.
Yeah, if you did negative 3,
Yeah.
that'd be fine. Okay, 6.
So that would be
12 negative, or W negative 12.
Nope.
so
W12.
Nope.
No?
You're not multiplying there. That's a division problem.
W8 is what it is.
Nope. Closer.
W5.
What's the top number?
2.
And then what's bottom number?
10.
5. 12?
Nope.
6 W6
Negative
over
8.
W6.
Negative 8.
My bad. So
Or, I have 8 more on the bottom than the top. Remember, those two things mean the same thing. So give me an expression then that would get me to negative 8. You can do a multiplying one.
W7.
W1.
That'd be positive 8.
Negative 1.
Negative 7, negative 1.
Sure. That would work. That adds up to negative 8.
Good job.
So when you multiply, you add.
So
Divide, you subtract. There's 3. That's all I wanted. All right, question 7. Filling in the blank, bottom left, Landon.
P7,
Next one.
8 P5.
Nope.
6.
Yep.
86.
Last one.
And then 9 P10.
Good.
Can I do the right?
Sure, Mel.
So 10.
Nope.
Oh, it's multiplying 24 and 13, negative 12 and 6, and then 4 and 6,
Nope.
so 7.
Add.
Oh, sorry.
So you're multiplying.
When you are multiplying, you add the exponents.
Okay.
When you are dividing, you subtract
What about
the exponents.
adding it? What was adding and subtracting? Just leave them and then do regular math?
Yep. Combine like terms. Good?
Good.
All right, last page.
Hard.
Yeah.
3 things that equal m to the negative 5.
M, negative 4. M, negative 1.
Perfect. So that's the hard one? Come on, Madison. These aren't hard.
These are.
M,
What about-
negative 5, and M1.
Nope.
Negative 1.
That'd have to be 0.
0.
What about,
Remember what negative means.
can we-
Oh, negative 10.
Means make it positive, put in the denominator.
2.
I wanted to do one of those. I was gonna say 5 over M10.
Okay, why don't you try number 10? See if you can give me 3 on your own.
That's subtracting from multiplying, right?
When you are multiplying, you add the exponents.
I get that backwards. So C negative.
Don't say it out loud, please.
Oh, sorry.
I want everybody to try it. All right. Who thinks they have 3? Madison? I don't want 1.
I've got 3.
Okay.
C3 and C3.
No.
Is it 7 or 6? Negative 7 or negative 6?
I got negative
C
Same.
6. Well, C negative 6 actually.
Yeah.
So there's 1.
C negative 3, C negative 3.
There's 2.
C positive 6 and C negative 12.
Good.
That's what I was gonna say.
Again, put it in the denominator, make it positive. That's an easy one.
Well, wouldn't that be 5?
Where?
Oh, there's not a C.
There's
on
not a
top.
C on top.
How do you know if they're negative?
C, it's negative if it's on bottom.
What do you mean? I just added those and it's negative.
So
Negative
say
4
that-
plus negative 2.
Say there's.
All right, this one, Mel.
Me. So that would be.
So I just rewrote it. That's still the same thing.
K7 is one of them. Or it equals K7. No, K13.
No, it equals K7 on the bottom.
Yeah, negative 7. K negative 7.
Or K negative 7. So there's 1. There's 2.
On top. K.
So give me another one that equals K to the negative 7.
K and
K positive 7 and K negative 14.
Sure.
Protractor.
Well, 12.
So the top would be W7 over. So W negative 6. Because there's.
That would mean there's 6 more on the bottom.
W8.
Nope. Not multiplying.
Divide
W7.
W6.
W6. 7 minus 1.
Yeah. W3 plus W3
Not plus.
times.
W6 times W12. Negative 12.
0.
W6 and negative 12.
It's not negative 6 on.
That'd be negative, meaning on the bottom.
Oh yeah.
If you're going to do W6, then it'd
Negative
be.
12, negative 12 and positive 6.
Oh my gosh.
Planet is positive 6. So if you do 6,
Oh, negative 6 and positive.
the other one would have to be 0.
Oh,
6 plus 0 gives you 6.
that was pretty close.
You guys need to be careful on your adding and subtracting. That's all you're doing. Multiplying, you add. Dividing, you subtract.
Okay, what about 2 and 4?
Yeah.
Well, as long as that adds up to 6.
What the question mark?
All right, question 13. This family has 4 girls: Clara, Margaret, Martha, and Pauline.
That sucks.
Okay, so here they are.
Martha.
Martha is not the youngest, so this one is not Martha. Pauline is older than Margaret, but she is not the oldest, so this is not Pauline.
I forgot that we used to do these.
Martha is younger than Pauline.
So she would either have to be second or third, but
Can I read 14 next to some over it?
Well, let's do 13 first, Landon, before we worry about 14.
So since Pauline is not the oldest and Martha is not the youngest, they're between the middle.
Well, Martha is younger than Pauline, so Martha cannot go here because this is not Pauline. So this has to be Pauline.
Yeah.
And Martha being younger means she'd have to go here.
I think I have it.
And then it doesn't say whether the other girls. But born third would be Pauline.
Margaret
No.
would be the last one in
Born
the
third
series.
is Martha. Martha was born third. Right?
I would have assumed that Margaret would be the last one and then Carla would be.
Margaret's the youngest.
Yeah, she has to be the youngest.
Yeah, she is.
Margaret. You think I got this one switched up?
And then Carla is first.
Yeah. And then Clara is the oldest.
Pauline is older than Margaret,
Yep.
but she is not the oldest.
So then Clara would be the oldest.
Yep.
We got it.
Yeah.
Well, when it says here she's not the oldest, do you think that's referring to Pauline?
Yeah.
Listen, remember, these were COVID-19 projects?
Yes.
Well, you made those?
Yep.
Oh, that's
All right, so I'm
cool.
going to say Pauline.
Born third would have been Martha.
This is going youngest, oldest, right?
And if you're oldest, you're born first. So Martha would have been born third.
Oh, good one. Good catch. All right, why don't you try 14?
I got it. Well, I got a couple. Okay, now I'm confused. Yeah, okay, I got it still. Let's flip it over.
All right, Sox are ranked higher than the Angels, but they are not in first. So this is not the Sox. But they are ranked higher than the Angels. Cardinals are not in last place. So this is not Cardinals.
So the Cardinals would be third, the Sox second, the Jays first, and the Angels last.
Yep, exactly.
Sox must be second.
Yep.
Who's first?
Jays. Then it goes Cardinals,
Cardinals.
and then Angels.
Exactly what I have.
So favorite team?
The Jays.
Must be the Jays. Favorite team is whoever is ranked first, like Landon cheering for his favorite football team.
Patriots.
No.
All right,
Dallas sucks.
your
Never been-
assignment,
The last Super Bowl they won was
page
83.
19.
No. Last Super Bowl they won. Was
Not a lot there. Make sure if it says list 3 equivalent,
I got it
you
wrong.
do that. Okay, you do that. 3 answers needed for C, D, E, and F. A and B are going to be just like we did for these. They all equal one thing. And then find the one that doesn't belong.